In this video, we are going to display user information after click submit button. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openviewer.com. In our case, we need to display user information after click. Just hit find to get the available all code snippets. Here we will go with the first one. Just copy the code snippet using copy icon here. Now we will get into the IDE. Just copy the code snippet inside app.js file and save the file. After proceeding with the output, we will see what is the code. This line of the code is to importing the React library, and then we have a class component called input. Inside the class component, we are initializing the variables, and then we have two functions called display name handler, and a handle submit. Followed by we are rendering the respective functions. Now we will get into the file. To get into the file, cd space my app, hit enter, and then we will start the server using the command npm start, hit enter. Now just wait couple of minutes to get the output in localhost. Now we are get over to the localhost. Now we will see the output here. Now we can enter some text, I react, and then just click submit button. Here we are able to see the information what we are given to the text field. Thank you.